In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your WordPress site to Bluehost with minimal downtime. Whether you're looking to take advantage of Bluehost's features or you're simply ready to make a change, this process can be straightforward and stress-free if you follow these steps carefully. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Bluehost account manager. Once you're in, navigate over to the hosting section, which is your main hub for all things related to your website's hosting environment. You'll notice an option labeled Add Site. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the magic begins. Choose the option for Transfer an existing WordPress site. This tool is incredibly helpful and designed to simplify the process for you. It takes care of transferring crucial elements like files and databases from your current setup to Bluehost. Now, you'll need to enter the URL of your current WordPress site, which is essentially telling Bluehost where to find it. This step is crucial because it ensures that the correct site is being transferred. After entering the URL, you'll need to authorize access. This authorization is important. It gives the transfer tool permission to access your WordPress files and database, ensuring everything gets moved over correctly. It might feel like a small detail, but it's a critical step in making sure your site's data is safe and secure during the transition. Once you've granted access, the tool springs into action, automatically transferring all your files and databases from your old host over to Bluehost. While this happens, you can sit back and let Bluehost do the heavy lifting. Depending on the size of your site, this could take some time, but rest assured, the system is built to handle this efficiently. After the transfer process is complete, comes an exciting part, reviewing your site. But instead of switching your domain right away, Bluehost provides you with a special URL to preview your newly transferred site. This temporary preview is immensely beneficial. It lets you explore your site functioning within the Bluehost environment without actually altering your live domain settings. Take your time evaluating everything. Check that images, plugins, and links work as expected. This is the moment to ensure that everything transferred just as it should have. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions on this Bluehost URL, you're ready for the final step, which involves switching your domain to point to your new Bluehost setup. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully moved your WordPress site to Bluehost with minimal downtime, ensuring your visitors can access your content without interruption. If you follow these instructions closely, your transition should be smooth and seamless. Enjoy your new hosting setup on Bluehost, and thank you for watching.